Hey, Gracie. Dad here. It's Christmas, and I thought I'd give you a call. I miss you, Gracie.
Gracie?
Yeah.
Can I take it back?
I took my love, I took it down.
All set?
One's sad, and this one's Dad. Dad, that's you.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
I saw my reflection in the snow.
You're so brave. I got you.
You know what?
What?
This is gonna give you special powers.
And so the fish was so big, and he was so heavy, that I got on the wall.
Dad, stop.
Within my heart, rise
There's zero tolerance in this school for that kind of behavior. Your suspension is 3 days.
What were you thinking? I'm just trying to help, Gracie.
Well, it's a really funny way of showing it, Dad. Here we go.
Come on, Gracie. What, you think you got everything figured out now? Huh?
Here we
Do you
go
know what I
again.
sacrificed for you?
You are making everything about you again.
Christmas, Gracie. If you walk out of that door, then...
Stop.
And here we are.
afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. The time makes you bolder, even chills.